रहीम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बायोलॉजी बाय खलील मीरानी। मैं आज आपके साथ बहुत ही अहम मालूमात शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका मैंने उन्वान दिया है डिस्कवरीज़ इन बायोलॉजी। सबसे पहले, सेल किसने दरियाफ़्त किया था? सेल डिस्कवर्ड बाय रॉबर्ट हुक 1665 फ्राम अ पीस ऑफ कॉर्क। न्यूक्लियस किसने दरियाफ़्त किया था? It was discovered by Robert Brown from orchid plant in 1831. Endoplasmic reticulum discovered by Porter in 1945. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, discovered by Kolker in 1850. Golgi bodies, these are discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. Ribosomes, these are known as the protein factories. These are discovered by Pilate in 1955. Lysosome, these are discovered by Dedov in 1955. And chromosomes, thread-like structures inside the nucleus, discovered by Waldeyer in 1876. Cytoplasm, fluid-like structure in the cell, it was named by Purkinje in 1939. Protein, these are the long chain of amino acids. These are also known as building block of the body, discovered by Brazilians in 1838. Cell theory was proposed by Sheldon, German botanist, 1838, Schiavon, German zoologist, in 1839. And another scientist, Virchow, said that cell has no de novo structure in 1855. Cells comes from pre-existing cells. DNA model, twisted ladder-like structure, proposed by Watson and Crick, 1953. Term prokaryotic and eukaryotic was first proposed by a scientist E. Chatton. He used prokaryotic term for bacteria and eukaryotic for plants and animals. Mitosis, first discovered by Walther Fleming in 1875, and meiosis, discovered by Oscar Hartwig in 1876. Two kingdom classification was given by Carl von Linnaeus. He was also known as father of taxonomy. And three kingdom classification was given by Ernest Haeckel in 1866. Three kingdoms were Plantae, Animalia, and Protista. Five kingdom classification was proposed by Robert H. Whittaker in 1967. He proposed five kingdom classification on the basis of basic principles were: number one, mode of nutrition, and number second is cellular organization. Later two scientists, Margulis and Schwartz, included third principle along with mode of nutrition and cellular organization, that was chemical composition, also known as genetics, with them in 1988. French physician Levran observed plasmodium in malarial patients. RBC of malarial patients in 1878. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane liquid bilayer structure was proposed by two scientists, namely Singer and Nicholson. Frederick Stewart was a scientist who obtained complete carrot from single cell by phloem by tissue culture. And the term enzyme used by William Cohene first time in 1878. Kellogg theory about enzymes action was proposed by Emil Fischer in 1889. After that, induced fit model about enzyme action was proposed by Koshland in 1959. In 1892, Ivanovsky, a scientist, indicated virus in tobacco mosaic disease in tobacco plant. And another scientist, W.M. Stanley, isolated tobacco mosaic virus in 1935 for the first time. Theory of natural selection was given by Charles Darwin, and he published his own theory in his book, namely Origin of Species. Bacteria was discovered by a Dutch scientist, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, in 1676. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share my lecture to your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.